Hello, John Holahan with SimplyThick, and I'm here to talk to you about a very vital component to almost all of our recipes for making level 5 minced and moist or level 4 pureed foods. And it's what we refer to as extremely thick stock. And what it is it's basically any stock solution, cooking stock you want to use, whether it's chicken or vegetable or beef or whatever, just thicken to extremely thick. And the reason we do this is that, oddly enough, it both moistens and it sops up water-thin liquids inside of a minced and moist or a pureed food. And it does this because it's so thick that, when you mix it with dry meat, you will see that it just makes it really luscious and lubricious and helps it hold together a little bit the way you want it to, versus being dry and crumbly. And then when you put it in something where there's water-thin liquids, because it's already so thick, it just kind of incorporates those water-thin liquids, assuming it's not too much, just into the fold of the puree or the minced and moist. So it is a wonderful component of cooking for these type of meals, and it's really the one thing that when we started looking into this, that we were just, oh, this is the key that unlocked the whole thing. So this is how we do it. It's actually remarkably simple. As I said, we just take stock. In this case, I just happen to have chicken stock because I'm going to be processing some meat. This is 8 ounces of the chicken stock, and then we add SimplyThick. To make it extremely thick, it's 1 pump stroke per ounce of liquid. So because I have 8, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And now I just put the cap on my container. This one has a little self-sealing mechanism, and then I just shake it. And that's all we need. Now this is the bottle of extremely thick cooking stock. You can label it, you can date it, you can keep it in the fridge. It becomes a flexible thing that you use whenever you're cooking for level 5 minced and moist or level 4 pureed using our recipes.